Hi Scorpio, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 8th of July till the 18th of July. Let's get started. You've got the Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, okay, the Lover's card. I'll show them onto the screen once I'm done now, taking them all out. Eight of Wands, and the card at the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. Surprisingly, Cancer also got Eight of Wands and Knight of Wands in the same position. You could be dealing with a Cancer person, but let's see the first card. You've got the Two of Pentacles, which is heavy energies that are bogging you down because you need to choose between two people. So, Scorpio, I feel you guys made a choice between two people in the recent past. Two people, two places, two things, two aspects of your life, like how family, work, or family or girlfriend or something, and then you chose one of them, of course, and now you're regretting this. Probably the person who you chose wasn't somebody, a person or the aspect or whatever you chose wasn't something that you were expecting. You thought it's going to be a very smooth ride, but this person is selfish, conniving. They also don't put your opinions or your feelings before theirs. Like, when you love somebody, um, they tend to consider your opinion. Even if they disagree with it, they at least consider the opinion or, your feelings, or how would you feel? How would my partner feel if I'm doing something, right? So they don't really care about what you feel. If it was some other aspect like work, you chose work over family, and now your bosses and your colleagues are giving you a hard time. Basically, you made the wrong choice, Scorpio. But with the Lovers card being here, I feel this choice was regarding a love situation, a romantic situation. You could be dealing with the Gemini as well, but whatever love there was is not there anymore. At least not from this person. They could have a tattoo, they could be into fitness, or they could just have a beautiful body. This person could be a male, female, anything. It's a general reading, not a gender specific one. Scorpio, I also feel that you want to communicate with somebody. Now, this could be you communicating with someone, or someone trying to make you communicate with them. Either it's because you want to communicate, or because they have created these circumstances that you need to communicate with this person. Whatever it is, this communication can lead to a little fights and arguments. So be careful of that. With the Knight of Wands, I'm sensing that whoever you were dealing with, if it's a person, if it's a girl, basically, this person is too self-obsessed, too self-absorbed. They could run amok, they just don't care. They just don't care. I'm getting these vibes, like they don't care about your heart. They don't care about how you feel, what hurts you, what makes you happy. Wow, Scorpio, what have you gotten yourself stuck into? Okay, let's see some extra messages, some clarifiers. I just hope you guys feel better soon. The Sun, of course you're going to feel better. Five of Wands. As I mentioned, the communication that's coming in for you, it can, it can lead to some fights and some arguments with somebody. So be aware of that. Knight of Pentacles. Guys, you guys are getting some kind of news. You're getting news related to finances, to a new beginning when it comes to business venture, a project, or something like that. If you are into the creative arts, then you're getting some kind of an offer for an ad, for a movie, for a, what do you call those? Video songs, like songs that have a beautiful video also attached to them. They're just not audio. That. Um, Ten of Wands. Yeah, you are burdened. You feel burdened because of whatever is happening with this person. But Scorpio, I, as your friendly psychic reader, I would advise you to concentrate on this new opportunity that is coming. Most of you might know what this opportunity is. Some of you might not know what this opportunity is all about. But if you already know about it, try and focus your energies towards this new project, this new beginning, because this is going to help you heal better and faster. Now let's see some extra messages. Oracle messages from my Scorpio people. Meditation brings you answers. It's a very beautiful card. Guys, meditation is the answer to almost everything in this world. So why don't you just, use it to your advantage? There are tons of meditation videos for beginners, for whoever on YouTube. Just please make use of those. It's going to help you because you're going through really tough times right now. And for the sun to shine, you need to look up into the sky. But right now you are so no, what I meant was to see the sun shining, you need to look up, right? But right now you are so bogged down by your emotions that you just don't want to look anywhere. So to get out of that pain, you can use meditation. Leap of faith, a great card. This could be related to the new opportunity that you're getting. That leap of faith is going to liberate you. Family culture. Get closer to your family, learn more about your family members, your ancestors. Um, if you're interested in history, read up about you. If your family has a lineage or has a history, read up about it. You'll feel better. Sometimes when we think, when we see and hear about our ancestors and how brave they were, it gives you strength to carry on and, leave all the pain behind. Because, of course, you loved somebody and they let you down. I can see that in your cards. Dignity. Hold your head up high and know that the unicorns are supporting you. As I mentioned, guys, number 6 could be important. 6th month, 6th day of the month, 6th week of the year, something like that. Where 6 is very important to you. What this card says is, no matter how down and out you feel, always know that God created you with a full intention. And I'm not saying just forget about your pain. Always remember the pain, remember the lesson, but try and detach yourself also, because sometimes pain can be overwhelming and it just, instead of pushing you creatively, it pulls you back. So just make sure you make the correct choices now. Starseed, what lights you up? Such an amazing card and such a beautiful question. Guys, when you were a kid, there must have been something that you looked forward to doing after school, apart from watching TV. Um, what did you love doing? Did you like going for martial arts or sports or coming back and painting or singing or playing an instrument, anything and everything, gardening for some children? Do that. Indulge in your childhood hobbies. They're going to help you heal. It's a tried and tested method and it's beautiful. Just try it. I feel you need it. Don't let pride get in your way. A Leo person could be important. It's time to take action. Aries could be important. Have faith in your dreams. And nothing is yet set in stone. Whatever happens in life, guys, it always teaches you something good, something bad. So just take the teaching and don't attach yourself too much to the event. or how you learned what you learned. Let's see one affirmation card and then we'll wrap up with your reading. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. What this card means is just stop controlling things. You know, the tighter you hold a rope on fire, the harder you'll burn your hand. So it's better to let go, because as it is that it's going to hurt you, right? The pain is already so painful. Just let it go, guys. And have faith in the universe, please. She knows everything. This reading resonated with you, Scorpio. Please like, share, subscribe. It really means the world to me. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.